When a person who keeps quiet starts learning, then understand that the limit has been crossed. Time and breath are more valuable than wealth. To help any person in this world, you do not need money but a good heart. In this world, being gentle does not work. The more you suppress people, the more they suppress you. Your life is in your hands, so never expect anything from anyone to make it better. An intelligent person's brain works and an unwise person's tongue works. If a person is not bad in anyone's eyes, then understand that he is clever. I have noticed one thing, that no one respects a simple and honest man, and everyone likes the one who lies and is dishonest. The mistakes of others are visible to everyone. When we go to the extreme, people become blind. Have some patience, because after every sadness, there definitely comes a time of happiness too. Don't worry about the world, because it is habitual of tea to tease you. Whenever tea and character fall, they leave a stain. Friends, how did you like the video? If you liked it, please give a like and subscribe.